I need your help. I was working on organizing my figures and they all fell on the floor. Can you please help me organize them? Here are all my figures that fell. How can we organize my shapes? So let's look at them for a second. What could we do? How could we organize them? I want to put them into two different categories. So I'm going to have this side and I'm going to have this side. So let's look at this one first. This is a, what? What is this? Yeah, it's a circle. So I'm going to put it over here. And then I'm going to look at the heart. Where do you think the heart could go? Can it go with the circle or should it be its own category? I'm going to put it with the circle. What about the triangle? This is a triangle because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Is the triangle going to go with the circle and the heart, or should we start a new category? I'm going to start a new category with that one. Alright, this is this shape. I don't know what it's called. It kind of looks like a teardrop or a raindrop to me, so I'm going to call it a raindrop. Should it go with the heart and the circle, or should it go with the triangle? I'm going to put it over here. Alright, what about this one? Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's a 5-sided shape called again? Yeah, it's called a pentagon. So, should a pentagon go with the circle, heart, and drop, or should it go with the triangle? I'm going to put it with the triangle. Okay, what about this curved line? Do you think it should go on the side with the circle or the side with the triangle? I'm going to put it over here. Alright, let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-sided figure, so it has that X, which means that it is a hexagon. So as a hexagon, I'm going to go with the circle or the triangle. I'm going to put it over here with the triangle. Alright, let's look at this shape. It kind of reminds me of Pac-Man. I'm going to say this Pac-Man shape. Should it go over on the circle or the triangle side? I'm going to put it over here on the circle side. Alright, let's look at this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. A 4-sided figure is called a quadrilateral. So should the quadrilateral go with the circle or the triangle? Let's put it with the triangle. I agree. Alright, let's look at this oval. Is the oval going to go with the circle or the triangle? Yeah, it kind of looks like the circle, so I'm going to put it over here. Now we have this 1, 2, 3, 4-sided figure, which is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral can also be called a square. I'm going to put the square where? Should I put it with the circle or the triangle? Yeah, I'm going to put it with the triangle. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a pentagon. Should a pentagon go with the circle or the triangle? I'm going to put it over here because we already said the pentagon goes over here. Alright, let's look at the next one. Ooh, we have another hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hex. There's that X again. Hexagon. Is the hexagon going to go with the circle or is it going to go with the other hexagon? Yeah, it's going to go with the other hexagon. Alright, let's see what's next. Ooh, we have another Pac-Man. Is the Pac-Man going to go with the other Pac-Man or is it going to go over here? Yeah, it's going to go with the other Pac-Man. Alright, hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. Is it going to go with the circle or with the other hexagons? It's going to go with the other hexagons. What about this heart? Is the heart going to go with the other heart or is it going to go with the triangle? Yeah, it's going to go with the other heart. Okay, what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's a 5-sided shape called again? Yeah, it's called a pentagon. Is the pentagon going to go with the circle or some of the other pentagons? Yeah, let's put it with this other pentagon. Alright, what's next? Ooh, we have a moon. Is the moon going to go with the circle or with the triangle? I'm going to put it over here with the circle because it kind of looks like this shape. Alright, what about this one? Is this one going to go over here with the circle or the triangle? I'm going to put it over here because it kind of looks like this shape. It's just a different way. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4-sided figure is a quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is also called a trapezoid. So is the trapezoid going to go with the circle or the triangle? I'm going to put it over here with the triangle. All right, what about this cloud shape? Is the cloud shape going to go with the circle or the triangle? I'm going to put it over here. All right, what about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided figure? 6 means hex, hexagon. So where's the hexagon going to go? I'm going to put it over here with this other hexagons. What about this cloud? Is this cloud going to go over here? No. We already put one cloud over here, so let's put the other cloud with it. Let's keep them together. All right, what about this triangle? Is it going to go with the circle or the other triangle? Yeah, it's going to go with the other triangle, so let's put it over there. All right, what about this shape? It looks kind of like a circle that got cut in half. So is the circle that got cut in half going to go with the other circle or the triangle? I'm going to put it over here with the other circles. What about this circle? Is this circle going to go with the circle or the triangle? Yeah, it's going to go with the circle. All right, what about this 1, 2, 3, 4-sided figure? Where's this 4-sided figure going to go? Yeah, it's going to come over here with the other 4-sided figures, the other quadrilaterals. All right, what about this one? Oops, too fast. But I'm going to put it over here because it looks like that one. All right, what about this triangle? Side 1 or side 2? Yeah, side 2. All right, what about the oval? Is the oval going to side 1 or side 2? I can't hear you. It's going to go to side 1. Couple more. What about this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure? What's this 5-sided figure called? That's right, it's called a pentagon. Is the pentagon going with the other pentagons or going over here? Hopefully you said it's going to side 2 with the other pentagons. All right, let's see what's next. What about this pentagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it's a pentagon. Is it going to go with the other pentagons or over here? I'm going to put it over here. All right, what about this triangle? Side 1 or side 2? Fast. Yeah, it's going to go over to side 2. There it is. All right, and then last but not least, what about this one? Side 1 or side 2? Yeah, it's going over here to side 1. All right, so look at these shapes. We have side 1 and we have side 2. What's something that you notice about these shapes? I agree, they are blue and they all are in yellow. What else do you notice? That's interesting. I heard somebody say that these have curved lines and these have straight lines. And you know what? That's exactly what I was thinking too whenever we organized it. So let's write that down. Side 1 has curved sides and side 2 has straight sides. Well, there's an important vocabulary word that we talked about that actually tells us what that is. Does anybody remember? Well, side 1, these are not polygons because they all have curved sides. But side 2 all have straight sides. And you remember they have to have at least 3 straight sides and they have to be closed in order to be a polygon. But all of these shapes can be considered a polygon because they have at least 3 straight sides and they're all closed figures.